According to a recent survey, only a third of millennials invest in the stock market at all. But at Lafayette College, you'd never know it was such a small percentage. Brennan takes us inside a meeting of the nation's oldest student-run investing club.
They exceed all analysts' expectations.
Early this morning, the Lafayette College Investment Club sat in a classroom while students presented PowerPoint presentations about Netflix and Amazon, deliberating a bet on big cap tech, which has sold off since the election.
What we really want to stress is Amazon's presence in its space.
The club chose to buy $10,000 worth of Amazon, in the latest sign that the Trump rally isn't just playing out on Wall Street, but also among retail investors, including the next generation.
As this group of students is for a lot of us the first time voting, so it was neat that we got to research each candidates and their policies. We actually did have a few presentations about looking what does this election mean for the economy in the short term, in the long term, and for our investment portfolios.
Lafayette College is home to the oldest student-run investment club in the country, one that manages nearly $600,000 worth of stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cash, and is part of the school's endowment. Following the election, the club is actively seeking out new investments.
We're very heavy on healthcare. It's like 18% of our portfolio right now. We want to continue doing so, especially now that Hillary Clinton is not elected. She wanted to reduce the prices of prescription drugs. And now that that's not happening, I think it will help healthcare a lot.
Our first buy at the heel of the Trump rally was Barclays. We're interested in diversifying into financials. Moving into next year, I think we're definitely going to look into energy. Looking at upstream oil production as the price of oil definitely rises.
These up-and-coming investors have yet to be tested in a true bear market, but they're hoping the choices they're making today will protect and grow their school's money for the long term.
We're doing a lot of different things, but we still enjoy stock picking. We have a philosophy in the club that there's no such thing as a safe stock investment where there's only safe portfolios.
And they do tend to invest conservatively. Part of the reason, perhaps, their fund is modestly trailing the S&P 500 this year. For a Nightly Business Report, I'm Brennan in Easton, Pennsylvania.